Hello everyone, welcome to our midterm project demo on encrypted video player, a JavaFX application designed to securely encrypt and decrypt videos using the advanced encryption standard algorithm. Let's begin with an overview of the project. Encrypted video player is a JavaFX application that provides users with the ability to select any video file and encrypt it using AES algorithm. Once encrypted, only the program itself can decrypt and play the video, ensuring the security and privacy of the video content. Now let's select our sample video first by clicking the Choose File button. We will choose this video and it will show us the video by playing this video. If we want to play this video, we need to clicking the play button at the bottom of the program, so it will be play, and we have other options, so we can pause the video. So I paused for then let's press the encrypt button and it will create a temporary file directory and save the encrypted video there. It will print the name of the directory both in the alert box and in the console. So I'm clicking the encrypt file button. So it gives me the alert box that that shows us the file is saved to this location. So I will copy this file directory. So as we see, our encrypted file is here and its extension is encrypted MP4. When we try to convert the extension to MP4, it will, as we see, it will not open when we try to open it with any of the applications on our computer. And now let's try to open it with our application. So I am copying the directory of this file location, and I will choose a file again. And I click enter, and I will use same video file. So, and the decryption process will automatically start and complete the decryption process using the same key as the encryption process and show us the video properly. Here, while it only supports MP4 files for encryption, it supports encrypted MP4 and MP4 extension files for decryption. So we can play it again. And we can watch the video. And as we see, all encryption and decryption operations are written in the console, so we can see the locations of the decryption. Let's examine the Java codes where these operations are performed. So I'm closing the application. And when we look at the utility class, this class provides utility methods used by the video encryption and video decryption classes. It contains methods for obtaining a cipher, converting bytes to hexadecimal, getting file extensions, getting file paths, and creating temporary directories. So in the get cipher method, initialize and return cipher object based on the specified cipher mode using a predefined algorithm, padding scheme, and initialization vector. The cipher in Java is cipher class is used for encryption and decryption operations. It provides functionality for obtaining a cipher instance, initializing the cipher with a key and other parameters, encrypting or decrypting data, and handling input and output streams. Here it takes encryption or decryption mode, and it takes also those secret key spec and the initialization vector. Secret key spec, it can be used to construct a secret key from a byte array. So we are taking it in here by using the key with algorithm. In here we used algorithm as a AES. The initialization vector is a random value. it's a random value again. We took a byte array from the secure random, and initialization vector is a random value used in conjunction with the key to initialize the encryption process. It ensures that each encryption operation produces unique cipher text, even if the same plain text is encrypted multiple times with the same key. In the code, the initialization vector is generated using a secure random instance and stored along with the secret key for later use during encryption and decryption. Secure random is a class in Java that provides cryptographically strong random number generator. It is used to generate random keys and initialization vectors for cryptographic operations. And random keys and initialization vectors are essential for ensuring security of the encryption process. Using predictable or non-random values can lead to vulnerabilities and compromise of confidentiality of the encrypted data. When we get the get instance of the cipher, we are taking parameter as a cipher, and when we look at the cipher, we used AES algorithm with the CBC as a block mode, and we use the padding as a PKCS5 padding size. PKCS5 padding, which adds bytes to the input data to make it a multiple of the block size. The value of the added bytes represents the number of bytes added. PKCS5 padding is widely used and supported by most providers. It ensures that the original data can be accurately reconstructed after decryption. This string represents the cipher transformation used in the code. It specifies the algorithm AES, the mode of operation CBC, cipher blockchaining, and the padding scheme PKCS5 padding. AES is a symmetric encryption algorithm. CBC is a mode of operation for block ciphers, and PKC5 padding is the padding scheme. Now, when we look at the video encryption or the encryption classes, we can start by looking video encryption class. This class is responsible for encrypting video files. The encrypt video method takes the path of video file as input and encrypts it. It checks if the file is MP4. If not, it throws a runtime exception, and it creates a temporary directory to store the encrypted file. Then it reads the content of the original video file, encrypts it using a cipher obtained from the util getCipher method, and writes the encrypted data to a new file with the temporary directory. Finally, it logs the completion of the encryption process and returns the path of encrypted file. And as we looked at here, we use the cipher output stream and cipher input stream and cipher output stream. These classes are provided by the Java cryptography extension to allow encryption and decryption of streams of data. They act as filters on input and output streams. And now we can look at the video decryption classes. And this class is responsible for decrypting video files. The decrypt video method takes the path of encrypted video file as input and decrypts it. It checks if the file extension is either MP4 or encrypted MP4. If not, it throws a runtime exception again. Then it reads the encrypted data from the input file, decrypts it using a cipher obtained from the util getCipher method in the decryption mode, and writes the decrypted data to a new file within the temporary directory. In conclusion, encrypted video file offers a secure and reliable solution for encrypting and decrypting videos using AES encryption algorithm. Whether you are concerned about protecting sensitive video content or ensuring privacy, this JavaFX application provides the necessary tools for secure video management. And thank you for watching.